Hi everyone, welcome to my new video about how to make editable PDFs. I've already pre-made this hair and makeup booking form, which is what I use within my business. So for ages I've kind of wondered how I get editable PDF forms for my clients to fill out. So I found that this is the best way to do it. So you can just email it over to them and then they fill it out. So basically you need to obviously do all your form. And then what I do is I'll just show you an example down here. So obviously I've already done these. So get a square from the elements, move it and arrange it like any way that you want to really. So bearing in mind that these are going to be your text boxes for your clients to be able to fill in. So I'm just going to do it like that because I can't seem to move that anyway. So it seems to just, I just want to work around that. So here we have the whole of the form. I've just kind of been speaking about obviously making sure that I'm completely covered from a legal point of view in my with my bookings with my clients. So then obviously I'm going to send this off to them and then everything's like completely clear then. So I'm going to go ahead and download this as a PDF standard. Wait for that to download. So here you have it as a downloadable. Make sure that everything's kind of in line like how exactly you want it. Make sure for no spelling mistakes. Obviously I would usually put my bank details there so someone will be able to send me some money. So this is, so I'm going to save that as just so I know exactly where to find it. So then there is a website that I use called PDF Escape. So what you do here, this is already kind of downloaded what I was doing earlier, but this is what you come to on the home page. So it's this, which one is it? Yeah, this one. Here we go. Yeah. So we just choose the file, do exactly which one. And then it just downloads here. Here we go, right, so here. So here you can obviously see already the boxes. So you go into form field, text paragraph, select, and then this allows you to be able to kind of remake the boxes. And here you can kind of decide what font you want. I go for about 31. That's perfect. Oh, just delete that. And then this is basically what you do. Duplicate them all the way. And then when you resave this, the idea is that then somebody obviously can fill it in and send it back to you. So for now it's a little bit repetitive, but once it's done, like everything, it's kind of done and you don't really have to do it again unless you're doing another different form. I just find that by getting your clients to kind of fill it in then you're kind of covering yourself. I think it just looks a lot more professional as well. So here I'm going to do it as a checkbox because I want some people just to be able to literally just quickly check that off. Because I feel like it's all these kind of technical things that they just don't teach, like you kind of have to teach yourself, and it's just really hard to find the information out there. So then we go ahead and we do these green arrows here, and that literally just allows it to save to your computer. So I at this point would always kind of resave it as editable so you know exactly which one it is, and then you can go ahead and send that to your clients.